Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to fix Instagram swipe reply not working. So to do this, you just have to open your Instagram application first. Now click on your messages and then open a message. Now you just have to press a specific message and hold, okay, like that, and then you can choose a reply. Okay, so in that way, you can reply a specific message, and also you can swipe to your right to reply a message. But if the message cannot be swiped, maybe you're in a vanishing mode like this. So in order to exit that, you just have to swipe up. Okay. And also, you can check if your Instagram is updated. So you can go to your Play Store application and then search for Instagram to check for updates. Okay, you just have to do this. Then, as you can see, your Instagram is updated. So the last way to fix your problem is to go to our phone's settings. Okay, and then look for the apps option. Okay, just have to click on that and then click on manage apps and look for your Instagram application. You can find your Instagram quickly by using on the search bar, and then here you can clear the data of your application to refresh the app. And that's it. That's some of the ways and how to fix your problem. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.